Hello, what's up traders? Welcome to Bundy 100. In today's video, I'm going to do trades and I will explain everything. So this is the volatility 50 index. For next 30 seconds, I'm going for buyers, right? So I placed $100 trade and this is the option. You can even trade with seconds as well, like 20 seconds, 30 seconds and minutes, hours. So I'm expecting for the next 30 seconds, this market close above my entry point. Let's see. Yes. Okay. Okay, so I win this trade because of my luck. All right. And if you want to learn how to trade binary option and how you can make consistent profit in any binary platform you like, I like most Deriv, if you like IQ option, and Cortex as well. If you think these platforms are legit, you can learn and you can trade. All right, so this is a downtrend, completely downtrend, and I see the break of level. I see the break of level. Yeah, this is the level. So for next 5 minutes, I'm going with sellers. All right, for next 5 minutes, I'm going with sellers. Let me explain you so you will understand each and everything. This is the downtrend market, right? Complete downtrend market. And I saw market was moving like this. And again, from the same trend line, it's again continue to making new lows in the market. And one more important thing, market is rejecting continuously from this dynamic support zone, right? From this dynamic support zone is continuously rejected. That's why I'm thinking that for the next 5 minutes, market move like this. And I hope I will win this trade. So always follow the trend. I place my trade here because of only the trend is downtrend. So that's why I place my trade here. And if you don't have Deriv account, you can create the account. Deriv is a famous broker. You can trade commodities, gold, synthetic indices, boom crash, options, and you have so many options to trade in Deriv, right? Okay, so market is going down. And don't forget to join my free Telegram channel. If you really want to learn how I trade, and if you want to learn, then you must join my free Telegram channel and you can contact me. So let's see, we have some time. All right, so with binary options, you can make money with daily basis, right? Almost daily basis. And you can compound, you can trade normal. So, but if you have knowledge, if you understand the structure, the trend, preference, then you can easily make money in any binary platform. All right. So the rejection, it is buying rejection. Okay, let's see. I can see the continuously rejection from the buy side. If this candle closes a bullish hammer or a strong bullish engulf candle, I may lose my trade because we have around 1 minute in expiration. Okay, there are chances I may lose this trade. Okay, no problem. You see, uh, sometime you may lose your trades even if you analyze the market very well. So it's not a problem. If you lose, it's okay. You have so many chances to make money in the market, right? Let's see. Okay, so I think I will lose this trade. Yes, there are so many chances. I'm going to lose this trade because very few seconds are left. Okay, no problem. I will find another opportunity and I will trade. So, all right, I lost this trade. So loss is a part of a game in forex trading, in binary trading. So let me show you the another opportunity. Okay, I can. All right, so this is a strong momentum handle, and I will go with rise option with 1 minute, not 5 minute, right? Because I can see the sellers are there, right? The sellers are there, and I'm big with buyers, and I will risk if the market go more down. I will I will more risk. I mean, because I'm sure that this candle is going to a bullish candle because the sellers are there. I'm placing one more trade. Okay, one more trade. So okay, I risk $400 because I know that I'm going to win these trades. And now let me explain you why I risk here a lot, because the sellers are there. This is the sellers area, sellers entering from this zone, right? And this is the dynamic sport zone. This is the dynamic sport zone. The dynamic sport zone is always work as dynamically with the market. Okay, and I'm expecting that it will move like this. It will make another higher high, and the trend is uptrend. So let's see. Okay. All right, so I won, right? I won, and the trade, the candle closed as bullish candle, but the next candle immediately went down, and I lost one trade. Out of four trades, I lost one trade. It's not a problem. Now I'm up more than $1,000, right? So you know which candle I trade? Let me show you. I trade this candle, right? This candle, and this is a bullish candle. It's mean uh, my analysis was perfect. So let me show you. I will do one more trade. If I win, I will stop trading because it will be handsome profit. If I win, I will stop trading. If you are new with the channel, please subscribe the channel, share with your friends, and don't trade this type of market. This is the choppy market, right? Don't trade this type of market. Small candles and no momentum. So don't try to trade. Yeah. All right. So let me find the opportunity. Okay. So here I'm going to place an higher option. All right. I place here a higher option trade. Let me explain you why I place a higher option trade. So guys, here I place a higher option trade because the momentum is very strong, and I'm expecting again market will go up, right? And this is a strong bullish candle. The previous candle was very strong, and you can see it's going up. So this candle should close as a bullish candle. We'll see. We have around 15 seconds. If I win this trade, I will stop trading. I hope you learn a lot from my videos because I'm explaining each and everything. Okay, let's see. Or okay, win. This is a winning trade, right? So I won this trade. Okay, thank you very much.